So I need to replace the headlight bulbs in my 2012 GT86. Now, I don't think it's going to solve the problem that I'm having. The problem that I've got is sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And I don't think replacing the bulb is going to do that. However, there might be a fault with the bulb which is causing it to be that intermittent. However, I'm just going to replace them anyway because it's not going to do any harm. I haven't got anything fancy or anything like that. It's just these I found off Amazon. They were £25, I think they are. The D4S bulbs. I don't know whether that is a very specific type of bulb or whatever, but it wasn't easy to find. I mean, Osram ones were like £104, I think it was, or £99. Well, no, yeah, but they're about £100, which I think is a bit mad for bulbs. I get they might be good, but I'm not paying that for a set of bulbs, especially when a couple hundred more quid and I can just replace the whole headlight with an aftermarket one. So I'm just gonna install these today and hopefully it'll fix the problem. If that don't fix the problem, there is another issue which might also be causing the problem that I'm having, but that will be in a different video where I'll be talking about all the things that are wrong with my car and how I'm going to fix them. I will admit I've never done a headlight bulb change on this car before, so I've watched, I mean, it's all basically like common sense. I mean, I've done it on previous cars that I've had. However, this is the first time I'm doing it on this car. Now, I've watched a couple of YouTube videos and it does seem fairly straightforward, so let's get into it. Here is my very disgusting engine bay, which I have not cleaned yet. So from what I've seen on YouTube, just undo that. It should just... Okay, I'm going to need to do that in a second, but you should just be able to twist that and then it's literally right there. And it should be, yeah, it's the same on the other side. So... fairly easy. Ah. Are able to see in there, you've got like a little clip that you should be able to take out, and then when you undo the clip it will hopefully just come out. There, we're good. So this is the new bulb. Looks a little bit different, it's just a little bit clearer, which is good. Everything kind of looks the same apart from that little bar. I'm not sure what that is, but that's green on that one and this one's white. So I don't know, but they look otherwise identical ish. We'll get this one installed and go from there. Super easy. Alright, so the problem was me. So if you can see just inside there, it gives you a closer look. You've got the two prongs that are up here somewhere. There's one, and the other one's just there. They wouldn't go into place properly because I couldn't actually get the bulb in right. And now I took it out, I examined it, I put the other one away. Basically, I had to just turn the bulb upside down because it has like little grooves which slots into a certain place. So that's the reason why it wasn't going in right. And once I did turn it upside down, it went in, no problems whatsoever. So let's get on with the other side and get this done. Okay, so that is both of them installed. Now it's just time to see whether they actually work or not. Alright, time to find out whether all those fiddly little jobs worked. They're on. By the looks of it, we have success. I'm just going to put the high beams on and see whether that worked as well. Oh yes. So if you ask me, that was a job well done. A bit fiddly, but we managed to get it done, which is the good thing. I hate fiddly jobs, I really do. So, on to the next job. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.